Welcome again. I will be working a question that someone asked me to work for them that they were having difficulty solving. So let's get into it. I will call it quiz 2. A box contains polygons with only triangles and squares. There's a total of 40 sides in the box. How many triangles and squares are in the box? Right? So let's say this represents the box here on the outer. You have triangles and squares. This side where the arrow is pointing here, you are supposed to have 40 of these, 40 sides. So like the triangle of 1, 2, 3, and then you continue count 4, 5, 6, 7 until you get 40. Okay? So let's go into the working. So what I did was have a list of multiples of 3's that is less than 40 and multiples of 4's that are less than 40, right? So you could go ahead and set out a table like this. It will take probably 30 seconds or a minute the most to set out a table like this, right? Get my pointer up. Good. So let's call one side T with for the triangles, and one side S for the squares, right? So what we do is look in the multiples of 3 and look in the multiples of 4 and see where you find any number that is in 3 that when add to a number in 4 you get 40, right? Remember, multiples of 4 represent squares, multiple of 3 represents triangles. So let's start. All right, the first one that jumped out at me was 36 and 4, right? So 36 and 4 represent 12 triangles. So we'll come over here. Where are? Yes, 12 triangles. And where the 4 fall? 1 square, right? So the first one that we got out was 12 triangles and 1 square. Then we start work again. We'll go and look again. 3 in this side, you look if anything over here of 37. 6, you look if there's a 34, no. 9, there's a 31, no. 12, there's any 28, because 12 and 28 is 40. Yes, there's a 28 here. So we circle 28, circle 12. So we look for the number when there is 4 triangles. So when there's 4 triangles, there is 7 squares, right? So that equal to 40 again. 4 triangles, 7 squares equal to 40. We look if we can find any more to reach 12. So 15, is there any 25 over here? 18, is there any 22 over here? No. 21, is there any 19 over here? No. 24, is there any 16 over here? Yes, there's a 16 over here. So we found one more, right? So 24 and 16. Then when the multiples is, when the triangle is 8, right? Because this 8 represents right there. So when the triangle is 8, then the square is 4. Yes, the square is 4, right? So any of these 3 could be the answer, right? Because any of these, when you add the sides together, you will get 40. So just a refresher. 12 trees 36, that's the 12 triangles. 1, 1, 4, 4, 34 and 36, 40. Same thing here. We have 4 trees 12, 12 and 7. 7, 4 is 28, so that's 40 again. And 8 3 is 24, 4 4 is 16. Add the 2 of them, you get 40 again. So that's how we got the answer for that question that was asked. A box contains a polygon with only triangles and square. There's a total of 40 sides in the box. How many triangles and squares are in the box? So we came up with a total of 3 answers. If you had learned something from this quiz or this working out, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you again.